Good morning, children. Welcome back to science session. Today we are going to start with physics chapter 11, force and pressure. Let us start with the topic force. We have been performing a number of activities daily, like opening a door, kicking the football, hitting the ball with the bat. What is common in all these activities? In all these activities, either push or pull is involved. A push or a pull on an object is called force. First, we will understand what are push and pull. A push is a force exerted away from the body. For example, kicking a football, pushing a chair. A pull is a force exerted towards the body. For example, opening a drawer, playing tug of war. In our everyday life, we move the objects by pushing or pulling them. The amount of force exerted is called the magnitude of force. The direction in which the object moves is called the direction of the force. Force always has a magnitude and a direction. Before we go further, we should know the meaning of the term interaction as used in physics. Interaction means reciprocal action. Interaction involves two objects. In interaction, each object acts in such a way as to have an effect on the other object. Forces are due to an interaction. An interaction of one object with another object results in a force between the two objects. Let us see some examples where we apply force. First example is, if a book is kept on the table, it does not change its position itself unless an external force is applied on it. So we have to interact with the book either by pulling or pushing it, that is applying force to move it. Second example, if a man stands behind a car, the car does not move. If he pushes the car, he applies force and the car begins to move in the direction of applied force. From these examples, we can understand at least two objects must interact for a force to come into play. We are going to discuss about unit of force. Before we go in further, we should know the meaning of unit. A unit is basically a value further quantify its number. Different units are used to measure different physical properties, like meter is the unit of length, kilogram is the unit of mass, second is the unit of time. The SI stands for International System of Units. Unit of force is Newton. It is denoted by capital N. It is named after Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton is considered one of the most important scientists in history. He became famous for his work on gravity and three laws of motion. Newton is defined as force that would give a mass of 1 kg and an acceleration. Acceleration means is the rate of change of velocity of 1 meter per second square. Force can be measured by using a spring balance. If you want to feel how much force 1 Newton is, place a 100-gram weight measure on your palm and hold it parallel to the ground. The force exerted by 100-gram weight on your palm is nearly 1 Newton. Force acting downward is equal to 1 Newton. Similarly, when you place a 200-gram weight on your palm, you experience a force of 2 Newton. The force required to lift an object of mass 1 kilogram vertically upwards is called 1 kilogram force. It is denoted by kgf. 1 kgf is equal to 9.8 Newton. Also, 1 kilogram force is equal to 1000 gram force. The force of gravitational attraction on a mass of 1 kg on the earth is 9.8 Newton. That's all for today. Thank you.